The devil is in the details of your paperwork. Good morning, everybody. This is Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. We are wrapping up our The Devil is in the Details series with another huge one, and it is paperwork. From so many angles, doesn't matter which way you look at this. If it's paperwork dealing with your contracts, they have to be on point. If it's dealing with timelines in the contract, they have to be on point. Closing on times, everything. Our contracts are important. Once you close, are you storing your contracts? Are you notating everything? Are you keeping records like you should? There are so many facets to the paperwork side. If you're not using a contract coordinator just purely for the sake of having a second set of eyes and a second set of just people to back you up for timelines and things like that, I strongly recommend you check them out, maybe invest in one. It never hurts, because as much as we try, we are not perfect, and you never will be. So find ways to protect yourself. Get that second set of eyes on whatever you can to protect yourself. You never want something to be missed in general, right? This one's pretty easy. Have an awesome day, guys. We're gonna start tomorrow with just something really neat. I think you'll like it. See you tomorrow.